NPS comprises of two types of accounts. The Tier 1 account is default and mandatory for all NPS subscribers. It is the primary pension account which restricts withdrawals to help subscribers make dedicated investments towards their retirement. The second type is the Tier 2 account, which in contrast, is voluntary, allows flexible withdrawals, and is known as the investment account. Investments and withdrawals made to and from the Tier 1 account are eligible for tax benefits and exemptions, while no tax incentives are available in the Tier 2 account. Equity exposure is capped at 75% in the Tier 1 account, while no such limit exists on the Tier 2 account. At the time of opening the Tier 1 NPS account, subscribers are required to make a minimum contribution of 500 rupees. A subscriber must contribute at least 1000 rupees in a year to keep the account active, and each contribution must be of 500 rupees or more. As for the Tier 2 NPS account, subscribers are required to contribute at least of 1000 rupees when activating it. There is no mandate on annual contribution requirements, but each contribution made must be of 250 rupees or more, even though the two accounts function separately. With different investment strategies and withdrawal facilities, they are listed under the same PRAN. Moreover, the Tier 2 account is additional and optional, and only a subscriber with an active Tier 1 account can activate their Tier 2 account. There are no additional account maintenance charges on the Tier 2 account. If a subscriber wishes, he or she can transfer the funds from the Tier 2 account to his or her Tier 1 account with the one-way switch facility. Upon exit, it is mandatory to purchase an annuity plan with a portion of the accumulated Tier 1 corpus, whereas no such mandate is applicable on the Tier 2 account. Additionally, central government subscribers can activate a third type of account, the Tier 2 Tax Saver account. Here, subscribers get tax benefits on investments under Section 80C, can choose only the default composite scheme as investment pattern, and a lock-in period of 3 years is applicable on each contribution. Upon exit or closure of the Tier 1 account, the Tier 2 account is closed automatically, and the accumulated amount is transferred to the subscriber as a lump sum. As for the TTS account, no withdrawal can be made before completion of the lock-in period, and no fresh investment will be allowed after exit. Join NPS to open the Tier 1 account for long-term investment dedicated towards your future retirement, and activate the Tier 2 account to invest for shorter-term goals.